my house. So if you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to like and subscribe. So this is my hallway. Yeah, so that's that. This is my living room with some couches and lights. Windows, curtains, no wallpaper on wall yet, so that's why it's pink. Kitchen, purple wall over there, that's where the salad bowl bar is. Yeah, kitchen, toilet right here, no sink though, and the window is at the back and not like that. Stairs window, I'm fine. Another window, wash basket, and this is my mum and dad's room. We don't actually have any of these in the house, so please. What's in this closet over here? You open the closet, boo, there's a white ghost. I just decided to put a cabinet there for some reason. This is the bathroom, and it looks really like the bathroom, but we do not have this here. It is just this and a bath. So we come around here, went down my brother's room. This actually looks like one of my old rabbits named Honey. This is where my brother's PC is. This is where the clothes rack is. Decided to give Holly a small window. That's his desk right there and TV in the corner. Now, guess whose room this is? There's a clue. I love Roblox. Well, it's obviously mine. There we go. I haven't made my bed. So this is my room window there. That is actually where I am sitting right now making this video. So yeah, just a quick small video for you guys. So hopefully I can edit it. I really hoped you enjoyed today's video. Also, if you look around my room, it looks sort of the same as this room on here. So yeah, if you liked, please be sure to like and subscribe. And right now I'm watching a bit of YouTube. So yeah, I'm just going to edit this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.